Let's have a look at the Nikon Z Series camera's new N-Log and timecode movie recording options. To enable N-Log recording, go to the Setup menu and select HDMI. Advanced. Next, select Output Data Depth and choose 10-bit. Then select N-Log Setting and choose On. Movies recorded to an external device via HDMI will be saved in 10-bit N-Log format. The camera also offers a View Assist feature. Selecting On enhances the image for display in the camera monitor, although with less tone information than is present in the movie recorded to the external device. When shooting movies, you can also record the hour, minute, second, and frame number with each frame. In the Movie Shooting menu, choose Timecode. Record timecode and select either On or On with HDMI output. You can choose the count-up method from Record Run and Free Run. You can also choose the timecode starting point and enable or disable drop frame.